Hey there, what's up? Hope all of you out there watching are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite and signature recipes of grilled chicken fillet. It's a delicious and wholesome meal for those who are looking to incorporate a good source of protein in the diet. With just a few ingredients, a soft, juicy, healthy and delicious grilled chicken fillet is ready for your meal. Let's get started. Here I have a whole chicken breast. Wash and drain the water completely and pat dry with a kitchen napkin. Let's marinate the fillet with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of freshly milled pepper, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, and spread it on. Squeeze half a lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and rub it on the chicken fillet, followed by freshly chopped parsley. Rub the fillet well with the spices on both the sides. Leave it to marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes in the refrigerator. Heat a grill pan. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it all over. Place the marinated fillet on it and let it cook on medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. Flip over and let it cook on the other side for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. The incredible chicken fillet is ready to be served. Serve with some sauteed colored bell peppers and some cherry tomatoes, and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Here we come to the end of yet another recipe. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this recipe. Also let me know which of the recipes you'd like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy.